body cams.
Station 18 for a single tip vehicle for the past Foxtrot Romeo X-ray 004.
2570. Northbound on Mount Creek, approaching him, okay. Got a vehicle with me. And I'm about to blue light it.
2571 to 79 or 1012 with him.
769, move normal. K9 in there. Going westbound on Red Oak Bay. Traffic. 2570 northbound on Mount Creek. Signal
45! Oh, 45! Get your hands out of your fucking pants! I'm gonna fucking shoot you! Take your hands out of your fucking pants! Take your hands out of your pants! Turn on, get on your back! Alright, hey. Go for a handcuff.
Don't you fucking move! Don't you fucking move!
Alright, somebody get medical.
Don't you fucking move!
Where are you hit, buddy? Somebody get there?
My vehicle's wrecked on the side.
Alright, I'm gonna go grab my car. 2571. We have shots fired by the police. Rescue 1068. Give it to me at Myrtle and 21st.
I got one that comes behind. I'm looking for you. Go get a 161. Got one that comes. 21st car there.
Here.
We'll be able to put it on the intersection.
Does he have a 0 on him? Buddy,
He's clutching.
25, do we have any outstanding suspects at this point that you're aware of?